Tu étais aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras et je n'ai plus personne. Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps et si tu m'abandonnes.
Rono. Hey! God.
I'll never be broke in my life.
No. What be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Hello, my darling wife.
I'm calling to know when you're coming back so I'll know what to make for dinner.
I am in the middle of a parliamentary debate as we speak. You remember that women's empowerment bill that I'm sponsoring?
Oh, yes, I do, my husband.
Good. I am in the middle of that debate. And I want to make sure that bill passes through the first round of reading and eventually enacted into law.
My husband, if it will take a third and fourth round of reading, please debate that bill with all your strength from all angles. You have my full support.
Oh, my very supportive wife. Oh.
Let me not distract you, my husband. Go ahead with the debate and make sure you stand your foot on that bill.
My feet are already on the bill. Women must be empowered.
Power to the women.
That's the way you won't look, no trial. That's the way you won't look, no trial.
Jesus.
Hello, Mama. So, what do you do for a living apart from being this beautiful? Are you a banana? Because you look appealing. So, your body is 8-figured. My phone just needs your 10-digit number.
Allah.
Wait. Why is my wife calling me on the WhatsApp video call at this time? Hide, please hide. Let me take it quick. Hello?
Baby, you've gone to Abuja for 3 months. I haven't seen my husband. What's going on?
Is that why you are calling me on WhatsApp video call?
Baby, you know that if I call you, you say you are at the parliament. So I decided to call you on video so that I can say hi to your fellow parliamentarian.
Well, as you can see, I'm all alone in my room working on a new bill to sponsor on the floor of the parliament. I'll be back to Lagos by next month end.
Baby, just a moment, please. Somebody is at the door.
You have to be fast about it. I have a bill to sponsor.
Oh, hi.
Who is that?
Baby, it's Thomas, a carpenter. He's here to knock a few things in place.
To knock what? A carpenter dressed like a gigolo?
Baby, come off it. Oh, come off it. Look, Tom is a good handyman. He's also a good plumber. In fact, he came with large pipes. Fill up the empty holes and knock things in place. We'll start from the kitchen, baby.
From the kitchen! Tell that idiot to leave my house immediately! I'm on the next flight to Lagos. I've cancelled. They are starting from the kitchen.
Daddy, are you leaving me?
You have lost this election.
Wait now.
If you tell me to wait, I will kill you personally.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Power to the people.
Women are
Slim! Slim! Slim!
What happened? Every time gossip. I'm not just friends today. Just go think about your life the way I think about my own.
Now about your wife, oh. I see him they hug and kiss one man there.
I thought I said cheating ladies to my eye. For where?
Back of that tall building.
Back of tall building.
See, don't worry yourself. Everything about your husband's visa is ready. In no due time, he will just leave this country, and the both of us will have time for ourselves.
I trust him. I can't even wait for him to leave this country.
I know.
It's just the both of us. I'm living in pains. I'm
See,
emotionally
let me tell you, I don't want you to be sharing time with him. Not with him, not with me, no.
I can't really wait. I just want to be all yours. I'm emotionally downcast. I am so confused.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to you.
Congratulations for what?
For my wife.
For
my wife where you collect.
I don't understand.
Swear say this thing where you help me do, not be my wife you collect from me.
You are a bad boy.
No, you for unlock her now, may you die like foul. See, you go give me like 5 million while go start life for day because I know if you just go there, start life empty-handed.
5 what?
You go think I know they go again.
Calm down, I will give you the money. It's okay.
I carry my bag, may you see me off for airport.
Okay. Have we gotten the visa?
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
You don't look finished. You put on in. You fought.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Hello, beautiful lady. Can I give you a lift?
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all. At all.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. Maybe you talk now, say you no go leave me, just this place.
I said that.
Boss, I beg, if you don't know when she talk am. Now you want no believe. Like they pay me. I feel come out my head, you go wound me. Come on your head.
Let's be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them. We have that responsibility.
Jesus Christ.
What?
It is smoky book.
Jesus.
God have mercy upon us.
Abana, Kosei, yellow man, Munko, okay, grab, Monto one year, but about yellow man, Kosei, what did you manage to Kosei, 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 yeah, Kosei, Abana Munko, Munko Sega Kabi, yeah, ball, player. Kosei, me can't Kosei. Akwati aka mo bronco park ni so. Akwani di mani abo ma ti o ma ti machi. Ana bo na fa mi turu o ma po mi abo mi wuli na o mi se le ba. Bo me.
And that is one of them. Ready start. The second, you promo code you learn one S. The better of 300% bonus. How about the game to Libya? Robert number one go to Panama. I can't answer no problem. I'm going to buy on your studio.